What's up, guys? This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that I keep in my tool bag, and that is a Toughbuilt XL. I've already made a video of it. If you want to check it out, just check out my channel. It's on there somewhere. And then I've got these Toughbuilt. This is the compact drill driver holder, and then I used to keep a this is just one of the brushless Ryobi compact, and then I was keeping a Ryobi hammer drill in here, but a little heavy, and I had this extra little new subcompact one. So, and this is not the Contractor one. I actually can't remember which one this is. Of course, got one of the best stud finders, Harbor Freight. I think it was 36 bucks or something. All the other ones are crap. I got a tool belt, and I can take these off, and then they just clip right back in if I have to. And let's see here, 2-foot level. Let's get on some. I like these little, I have multiple batteries, but I always keep at least 2 of these with me. And this is what I'm taking to every job that I go to. And then I got a tape roll here, Cheapo duct tape, magnet for cleaning up stuff. Your father, tape measure. I do have other tape measures, but that's the one that just happens to be on there now. Little bit kit. Let's see here. Let's go. And then just a little drill bit kit. This is pretty cool. I carry multiple knives, but this is great for scraping off windows. The only issue is these blades are proprietary to this tool, and yeah, so, but it's pretty cool, but it's not an end-all be-all. Okay, little Milwaukee set of oscillating blades, and then I was able to fit these 2 other scrapers in here made by Milwaukee. Those are great for taking up caulk on a bathtub. And might as well just go in order here. And this is basically the extra kit that they sell you with your Ryobi oscillating saw. And then I just got a couple grout bits from Harbor Freight. Of course, the newer style Ryobi oscillating tool. This is great, quick release, love it. But I still keep the old one. I have a Ryobi, and the reason for that is because the rigid multi-tool different things fit onto the old one. And I have a few different zip saw and a couple different things that basically the newer one can't do. Of course, some El Cheapo snips, just the straight ones. S-Wing pry bar. S-Wing finish hammer. I don't need a framing hammer like a lot of people do. These are invaluable, and I can't stress this enough. There's so many possibilities with this tool. Whether you're doing finishing trim or you're just need to pull out some nails, invaluable. And of course, Empire square, bunch of razor blades, Bosch self-leveling laser, and then I've actually got this adapter on here, and I actually have the real big tripod by Bosch, but I don't carry the tripod around with me everywhere. You know, sometimes you can get by with sitting it on the ladder. Extra bits, and I got those actually for free. Okay, let's see here. This is just what's laying down in there. Couple Dewalt clamps. Klein, you know, basically you can find where you're at your meter, where, you know, which line is what. You can do light bulbs, anything, figure out what circuit it's on. The mount for the Bosch. Swanson, yeah, okay. Just need to hurry along. These are valuable, $16.99, I believe. Harbor Freight lifts up to 300 pounds if you're putting doors in. Perfect. Of course, safety glasses. Starrett angle finder. Of course, I have some trash down in here because I haven't cleaned it out. I carry around a little jig for you know, for hole saw, doing doors if they already have a hole in there. Okay. Little crescent wrench. I really need to clean this out. Oh, see, those are the proprietary blades to this, which I couldn't find when I was on the job. Okay. Framing square. Oh, just some dikes. I bought a cheapo electrical kit, you know. Got some of these. These work great for getting tight spots. A little bit bigger crescent wrench. I've got some Irwins coming in the mail actually tomorrow. This is from that cheapo kit. I showed you that one, but just some cheap electrical tools. I think it was like 65 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, when I was first getting into it, I have a punch. I don't know. Of course, we'll just get it online. Chisel. We've got other chisels in here too. They're just Stanley. A couple. I actually have 4 different Craftsman screwdrivers. A little, yeah. And here's where that other tool is not so much needed. I got the Cheapo Scraper. Those work great. Just got this one, the hide one. These are great, but neither one is for everything. You know what I mean? So, got one of these little jobs for doing bathtubs, caulking bathtubs. Little tiny pry bar. S-wing, yeah. Okay. And this is a tool that I think any handyman or contractor or anybody gotta have yourself, you know, an awl. That's a Klein. Make your starter holes. You know, you can pretty much do a lot of different stuff. Here's some more chisels. Couple Allen keys. Got some Gorilla super glue and a Milwaukee vice grip. And of course, these damn things are falling apart. Toothpicks. I've got toothpicks. And of course, in my work vehicle, I do have other stuff. Instead of getting like the nice, I can't remember what brand they are. They sell them at Menards, but for all your screws and everything, what I do is I just empty out a bottle of Gatorade, because I drink these anyways, and I just put different size screws and different ones, and I usually have them labeled, but it's not labeled anymore. So if you guys like the video and you think I earned it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out some of my other videos. I've got a lot of different, oh, and I almost forgot one. This Ryobi job here, thanks to the wife for that one. It works in certain, instances. So, appreciate everybody that watched, and yeah, have a great day.